When we think about video games, we often think that they are unhealthy and create a bad habit. But what if the games we are actually playing are helping our brains solve problems? Now, that might sound unbelievable to think about, but video games improve problem solving skills by helping develop critical thinking, creativity, and teamwork. As someone who plays video games, I usually play video games on like a PS5 or a Nintendo Switch. I've noticed how video games can challenge players, especially like ones like myself, to think more quickly and act more quickly. I want to walk us through some of the reasonings that problems that games can solve problem solving skills. I want to first talk about the critical thinking development. An article by the National Institute of Health have found that games can present complex puzzles and obstacles requiring logical reasoning. And they also found that players can learn to analyze situations and make quick, informed decisions. They found that in their research that players that play for long periods of time actually do really well on cognitive tests versus those who do not play video games. Now, I want to walk us through another reasoning, the creativity and adaptability. An article by Steam Ahead found that many games will offer open-end scenarios with multiple solutions. Oftentimes in video games, they make you come to a problem that you can't solve on your own. Often the case, the solution is right in front of us with multiple possibilities. This is why in their article that they say that this can encourage players to think more outside the box and adapt their own strategies. By solving the same problem, you are creating your own strategy to solving the problem. Now, another reasoning is the teamwork and collaboration. An article by Game Learn Society have found that multiple multiplayer games will require communication, coordination, and collective problem solving skills. These can be games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, for example. They require all of those skills that you need when playing a video game. They also found they also say in their article that these games can transfer to real world teamwork in school and in careers. Now I want to say that now I want to go over what we talked about. We talked about video games can help sharpen your critical thinking, creativity, and teamwork, which is essential problem solving skills. What we what we also learned is that video games are powerful tools for cognitive growth and problem solving. So now remember, when you play a video game, you just know you're exercising your brain to overcome challenges versus versus trying to play a game that will not sit there and exercise your brain to overcome challenges.